Bahala ka dyan, Jeric. Ikikik kita, Jeric. Di kita maintindihan na. Ikikik kita. Pag mo kong inuuto, pinapahirapan mo ko, ha? Ikaw, ha? Ay, mabait pala ako today. Wala, guys. Mabait pala ako today. Wala palang Huwag mo akong ginaganyan, Jeric. Sinasabi ko sa'yo. Hindi tayo dito. Sinasabi ko sa'yo, ha? Pag ako, di ko nahabaan tong patient ko sa'yo. Ganyan ka sa akin. No, you're not. Look at your place. Like, your place. Ano tawag doon, guys? Location! Look, your location is Lapu-Lapu, Philippines. How do you explain that? How do you explain that? Explain that to me. Oh. Huwag mo akong ginaganyan, ha? Huwag mo akong ginaganyan. Alam ko yan. I'm staying here in the... Mega? You're staying... Can you guess? Like, guess here in my live so I can see your face. So I can determine if you're Korean or not Korean. So if you're a Korean or no or not pala. Ang hirap naman mag-English, guys. Hi Stacy girl, good morning. Napapalaban na ako sa English dito, girl. Tulungan mo ako. Thank you so much, Primo. Thank you so much. Tulong, guys. Tulong. Your face like actress Generosa. Generosa? Who's that? Who's that? I don't know that. I don't know that. I don't know what you're talking about. Who is it? The owner of the some... Really? Can I see your face? I'm gonna guess you. Guess you?
Kasama kayo?
Saan ako sasama?
Kilala rin?
Ano sasakyan natin? Tapos, tatlo tayo doon?
Alali, nang ba mabalin talo?
Why you didn't accept it? Okay, nag-read mag-English. Why you don't want to accept that? MG, you don't know Generosa. No, I don't know her pala. Kasi babae yun, di ba? Oo, I don't know her. Can you send, sa multi pala yung makakapag-send ng ng picture sa comment. I don't know. Can you send it to me? Can you send it to me? So I can see. So I can see. Hi, Pio. Hello. Sa mga pumapasok, guys. Hello, everyone. Hindi ko na kayo maisa-isa. Hello. Good morning. Magnilay-nilay na lang tayo, guys. Nilay-nilay. Hello. Ang grabe naman kasi itong energetic today. Yes, girl. Siyempre kagabi. 'Di ba nag-ano ako ng energy for this, like for today. 'Di ba? Late na din kasi ako nag-live, girl. Late na din kasi ako nag-live. Siguro kapag nag-live ako ng 3 to 4 kanina, hindi ganito yung energy ko. Parang feel ko sinapian ako ng old self ko. Oh, old self. Di mo carry. Many Mog. Ano yan? Okay na. Ano to? Many Mogo, you know. What do you mean Mogo? What's that Mogo? What's that? An